Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. In January 2020, I launched my first online course, Lectures on Goal-Based Portfolio Management. This is a set of video lectures that's hosted in a Facebook group. Since its launch, 1,855 members are now part of the Facebook group. They have accessed these videos. They're discussing about goal-based portfolio management, asset allocation, and so on. And since the first anniversary is coming up, and more importantly, since December is coming up, December is my favorite month because Chennai is at its pleasant best in December and January, and in December particularly, it's because it's vacation time. I in basically in 2008, 9, 10, 11, etc. I spent a lot of time planning my future, how to develop goal calculators, how to start investing for my own future, and so on. So in the month of December, I would like to offer a discount to this course. So this course is now available at a 40% discount starting today. It will be at a 40% discount. That's the price will be 1,800 rupees until the 4th of January. That's a Monday, 9 a.m. in the morning. Until that time, that includes the New Year weekend. So until that time, the price would be 40% lower. You just need to pay a one-time fee of 1,800. This is a one-time fee. You'll have lifetime access to the videos. There are no recurring fees. You need a Facebook account. If you don't have one, you can just create a separate Facebook account just for this. You don't need to add any content to it. You can have a blind ID. It doesn't matter. You can purchase the course with one email and create the Facebook account with another email. I don't mind, but as long as you use the as long as it's you who is accessing the course, I don't have any problem with that. For those outside India, the fee is at that same 40% discount. The fee is $26. Aside from processing fees, it would be the same amount, and again until the 4th of January 2021, 9 a.m. the price is valid. Please don't wait for future discounts, because future discounts will always be at a higher price, so you're not going to get it back at this price. That's true for also the people who entered. The people who entered got in at the early bird discount and the lockdown discount. Nobody knew the lockdown was going to happen. Then there was a lockdown discount, but the lockdown discount was always higher than the early bird discount, and so on. So that's how it's always going to be. So this is a great opportunity for DIY investors. The first lecture is free. I'll leave the course link here. The first lecture is free. The contents of the course is mentioned here. This is meant for DIY investors who want to go beyond the simple planning, right? Everybody knows how to use a standard retirement calculator. You can do like what Sapnil Kante said today, back of the envelope calculations, or you can do a proper calculation. But after you start investing, there are going to be market bull runs, bear runs, range bound movement, all that. No matter what the market condition is, how can we achieve our goals and get the corpus necessary for the goals? That's a central discussion that we're going to have before retirement, after retirement, how to manage the portfolio, how to vary asset allocation so that we can handle risk in the market. If you simply keep investing every month, SIP or no SIP, you're simply leaving the fate of your investments to luck, and that's just not a great idea. I think you should do much better than that. We should do much better than that, and we had a plan so that no matter what conditions market throws us, that we should achieve our goal. So that's the central aim of this goal-based portfolio management lectures. So if you are interested, I will leave the purchase link in the description and also in the first comment, and I'll catch you inside. Bye bye.